I want to show you one more thing about the upcoming version of Snap 5. So I have this ukulele again, and it's really out of tune, and I want to fix that with Snap. Here is the new version of Snap, and in the sensing category, there is a new block. It's called microphone. And for example, it can give me the volume. So this is the volume, it's loud, but it can also get me the note. So if I sing, or the frequencies, the pitch. So for this, I want to get the note, and the note is kind of the approximate note of that frequency that the microphone senses. So I want to make a variable that says note, and I want to set the note to whatever the microphone senses. And I want to get a target frequency that I want to tune the ukulele to. And I want to set the target frequency to the frequency of that ideal note. So I can get an according block in a library, and it is the audio computation library. If I'm loading the audio computation library, in the sound palette, I'm getting something like hertz from note. So the note 69 is A, and it's got 440 hertz. So I want to get the target. I want to set it to the ideal frequency of whichever note I'm sensing in the microphone. And now there are two interesting things I'd like to think about. One is the difference of what I'm actually playing, the actual frequency, so that is the pitch, to what's my target, and I want that to be very small. So, and I want this little sprite to indicate whether I have to tune my instrument up or down. So there's another difference that I'm interested in, and that is the difference of, the next node and what that frequency is. So the hertz of the next node minus the target. So these two differences are actually a fraction. So I can say this is a fraction, and so I want to apply this to the direction of where my sprite is looking. So I'm making this turn in the direction of 90, which is to the right. And then I'm going to apply, I'm going to turn it 180 degrees multiplied by this fraction. And finally, I want to say the note that I'm currently, the name of the note that I'm after. Okay, so this is the script, and I want to do this all the time. So I want to do this forever. And I'm going to start when the green flag is pressed. Let's make this a little bigger. I'm going to set the size to 500. So now I can see it. Now let's start it. Okay, this is an F. I want this to be an A. As you can see it. So now I'm the A. This should be a D. Now this should be an F sharp. And a B.
Let's try this out.